her strong career. He built her strong career as a sales manager sa isang travel industry. At naging ano rin po siya, medical representative. So ngayon po, no, dedicated po siya to her work full-time as millennial digital entrepreneur. And she's here to show to you kung ano ba talaga ito, paano natin ma-maximize ang income potential natin. So, pakinggan po natin siya, no? Isang action-oriented leader na from Mindoro. Isa po siya talagang true example of beauty and brains. So, welcome po natin si Miss Lyra May Atilano. So, Viva Pirata, Miss Lyra. Good evening.
Thank you so much to my kaperata, Miss Chona. Ayan, viva viva perata sa ating mga Lycean. Hello to everyone and thank you for inviting me on this webinar. So, sino po ba yung mga guests natin? If you are a guest, if you are invited on this webinar, can you type in thank you and then tag the person who invited you? Ayan, para we start this with a grateful heart, 'di ba? Na merong tao na naisip tayo to check on this opportunity na ma-share nila itong opportunity na 'to. Ayan, and syempre to everyone else, can we type in beautiful sa chat box? Ayan, para ma-welcome natin ang new year na beautiful talaga, 'di ba? So kapag mali yung spelling, nakikik po iyan ng Zoom room. Kailangan correct spelling. Ayan, hello sa ating beautiful participants in the Zoom. Okay, so sa ating mga guests, welcome po to our webinar. We hope we could share something that would really be of great value sa inyo, no, for the rest of your life. Ayan, panghabang buhay na mapapakinabangan nyo whatever it is that we will be sharing tonight. Alright, so let's begin. Let me share my screen and let me know if you can see my screen clearly. Ayan, okay na po. Nakikita naman.
Yes
Nakikita
po.
ba? Okay, alright. So, hello everyone. Ayan, naipakilala na ako ni Miss Chona kanina. So, I'm Lyra and I used to work in the travel industry before me meeting this opportunity. And then after that, I also ventured in the pharmaceutical industry naman as a medical representative. And then when I saw how it is, yung sistema, yung kalakaran sa pharma, that's when I decided to go full-time in the business kasi kako mas maraming mabibless, mas maraming matutulungan etong opportunity that we will be sharing with you compared when I was in the hospital in the medical setting, no? So, yon. So, this was me prior meeting this opportunity. A friend invited me to check an opportunity. And sakto, kapag binabalikan ko yung memory sa Facebook, ganyan din po ba kayo? Yung nakikita, chine-check ninyo yung memories niyo sa Facebook, ganyan. Nakikita ko po doon na yung past year, bago ako ma-invite ng friend ko to check this very opportunity that you will be seeing tonight, no? Nag post na ako talaga bago pa man yung taon na yon na ano kaya magandang business opportunity, mga ganyan. So I was really in that in that page na I was looking for opportunity apart from my job. Okay, so ito po yung main source of income ko. Travel agent po ako. I used to book tours and kasama po nila ako. So tour escort din, no? So I've been to 22 countries in a span of 5 years. So magandang trabaho, pero hindi siya yung dream life ko kasi gaano man kaganda yung ipakita ko in social media na I've been to these countries, ganyan. Nakita ko ang Aurora Borealis and all. At the end of the day, tayo lang yung nakakaalam ng ano yung real score sa buhay natin. Tama po? So, ang real score talaga na yon sa aking buhay empleyado ay eto po, grabe. So, talagang ang tindi ng trabaho, inaabot ng 1 a.m., 5 a.m., even 6 a.m. ganyan naranasan ko na nagbihis na lang ako tapos diretso na ako ng airport, gano'n. Walang ligo-ligo, ganyan. May biyahe na. So, ganun ka-extensive yung trabaho na meron kami, no? So, nag-alarm yung phone ko, 5 a.m. Dapat gising na ako, pero gising pa ako kasi nga nagtatrabaho. Ganun siya katindi. So, kaya wag na po kayong magsana all dun sa work ko, okay? So, sino yung mga team OT dyan, di ba? Kaway-kaway. Ayan. So, eto yung itsura ko back then. Grabe, wala na talagang paglagyan ng pimples, no? Sobrang tindi ng, ng acne because of stress. Yan. So, kapag ayaw kang iwanan ng pimples mo right now, hindi po yan tawag dito, hindi po yan dahil persistent talaga siya sa'yo. Sadyang matindi lang yung stress mo. So, grabe yung stress level sa work ko before. And then, I encountered this, this quote. And yung friend ko na nag-invite sa akin, ito rin yung talagang shinare niya sa akin. That's why, when I understood her point, nung tao nag-invite sa akin, a friend back in college, I was so sure, it was so, no-brainer for me. Kumbaga, hindi kailangan magna cum laude, hindi kailangan sobrang talino mo para maintindihan mo siya. The fact na kailangan talaga natin ng additional source of income in this kind of economy that we have in the Philippines. Di ba parang meron pa ba tayong hahanapin pa na ibang reason why we really need to grab opportunity as it is when we saw one? Di ba parang hindi na natin kailangan pang pag-isipan pa yan eh, kailangan at kailangan talaga natin, no? Kasi nga, ito po yung nangyayari na sa atin right now. As we age, yung expenses natin, lumalaki talaga siya. Pero, yung ating inflation, it's not something that we cannot control eh. Tama po. Kahit anong gawin natin, nandiyan talaga yung inflation. And paangat siya ng paangat, pataas siya ng pataas. The thing is, yung income natin, hindi siya sumasabay with inflation and with our expenses. No? So kung tumataas na nga yung expenses and then may inflation pa na dumodoble dun sa expenses natin, pero yung income natin with the work that we do, hindi siya sumasabay sa bilis ng inflation, sa bilis ng taas ng bilihin, talo tayo, tama? Kung isa lang yung source of income natin. So, needless to say, needless to point out, 'di ba? Kailangan at kailangan talaga natin ng additional source of income. Kasi if not, dito po tayo mauuwi sa utang, 'di ba? And ayaw naman natin na nagtatrabaho tayo para lang makabayad ng utang, 'di ba? We would want as much as we can to also enjoy yung hard work natin, 'di ba? Yung pinagpagura natin na pera, hindi lang yung ibabayad natin siya sa utang, tama? So, kung meron pong opportunity na gano'n that can help you, 'di ba? Na yung mga additional expenses, ganyan, hindi mo naisipin kung saan mo siya kukunin. 'Di ba? Ang sarap sa pakiramdam na okay na nakalatag na siya, may pagkukuhaan ka, na hindi mo naisipin, 'di ba? Na Judith na naman, ganyan. Judith na naman, 'di ba? Mag-aakinse na pa naman. So, when I saw yung opportunity na to, na-share siya ng friend ko, I was so sure talaga na I'm gonna take this opportunity. Iga-grab ko talaga siya kasi I read a book, no? Sabi doon sa libro, It's Rich Dad Poor Dad ni Robert Kiyosaki. Sabi doon, ang nagde-differentiate daw ng mga mayayaman sa mahihirap na tao is yung mga mayayaman, mabilis daw silang makaspot ng opportunity. And when they spot an opportunity, they grab it right away. Sinusunggaban kaagad yung opportunity, hindi na pinapatagal-tagal. Yun daw yung mga mayayaman na tao, 'di ba? So if we want to somehow, 'di ba, maging financial independent kahit hindi na super ultra mega rich, 'di ba? Doon lang sa financial independence na okay na ako sa mga bayarin ko and all, hindi ko naisipin kung saan manggagaling yung mga papabayad ko diyan. We grab the opportunity right away. Okay? So I hope after this this 40 minutes or so na i-share ko to sa inyo. At the end, you will grab it right away. Okay? So, this is the main reason why I grab right away yung opportunity na to because I understood ano yung difference ng active income sa kanang passive income. So, active income, this has been what I've been doing for the past 5 years. Okay? Bago ito na paliwanag sa akin ng friend ko. So, pag active income, we work and work and work and work for the rest of our lives. And then kapalit ng work na yon yung income. Okay? So sa trabaho ganon, 'di ba? No work, no pay. Pag gusto mo bang hindi pumasok for 2 months, 'di ba? Gusto mo maglakwatsa, maglibot ka ng Europe, ganyan. Possible ba siya sa work? 'Di ba hindi? So most likely wala ka nang babalikan ng work, okay? So pag work, active income siya. No work, no pay. Same in traditional businesses, magtayo ka ng tindahan, sari-sari store, ng bakery, or kung ano man, pag sinarado mo yung tindahan na yon, yung store, yung restaurant mo, wala rin siyang kita, tama? So, ang tawag po doon, active income. Now, little did I know, and most probably kayo din joining us in the call right now, na meron palang another way of income, which is passive. Okay, so passive income naman, ibig sabihin, you're building a system and once na na-build mo na siya, little to no effort na lang, pero yung income mo, paakyat siya ng paakyat. Okay? Sa simula, mataas yung effort, yung time that you need to put in, yung income, maliit pa lang, kasi nga, you're still building the system. Pero once na na-build mo na siya, tuloy-tuloy-tuloy na siya. Sino yung gusto yung ganun? Yung parang, kahit na nagbabakasyon ka sa Bahamas, sa Maldives, 'di ba, sa Greece, yung pasok ng pera sa'yo, tuloy-tuloy pa. And exponential siya. Ibig sabihin, kung ngayon, for example, for your first year, kumita ka ng extra 200,000 out of this opportunity, yung next year mo, pwedeng 1 million na ang kitain mo. Okay, on your next year. So, yun po yung yung exponential income. And that's something that really got me attracted to. Kasi alam ko, pag ito, sa work ko lang ako nag-focus, kahit magkanda kuba-kuba na ako na yung pinakahuling tao na magsasara ng opisina namin, yun pa rin yung sahod ko. Okay, kung ano yung pinirmahan ko sa kontrata. Pero ito, trabahuin ko itong passive way of making money, then ang laki ng gain, ang laki ng mabe-benefit sa akin. Okay? So papaano tayo mag-work towards passive income through this opportunity na i-share namin sa inyo? It's through leverage income. Ibig sabihin, namumultiply natin yung sarili natin. If you can put in like 2 hours a day extra for this part-time business, but then you have a friend that can give like 5 hours, and then another friend who can give like 2 hours. So instead of just 2 hours in a day, you now have 9 hours in a day. 'Di ba? So parang wala naman tayong superpower na ganun 'di ba? Na we can multiply ourselves, 'di ba? Na literal, 'di ba? Pero in this kind of system sa business, it's possible. Papaano iyon? It's through global distribution business, okay? Na meron siyang konsepto na drop shipping. So this is our headquarters all across the globe. We started in the US in 1992 and then in Canada in 1995. And right now, we are open in 27 countries. Ayan. So, okay lang po ba yung audio ko o medyo maingay? Ayan. Kasi may mga batang naglalaro sa labas. So, okay lang po ba? Ayan. So, let me know
Okay
po
lang po.
kapag hindi na siya tolerable. Okay, so ayan, nasa ano po kasi ako ang pangalan ng subdivision namin ay Happyville. Masasaya talaga yung mga bata, totoo naman. So, right now, we are here in the Philippines, no? But you would notice kanina, di ba, may mga nag-mention, they are in our second speaker, he is in Australia. We have participants from Italy. So, ang ganda ng business natin kasi hindi ka limited dito sa Philippines, 'di ba? Ako noon, prior pandemic, I was thinking of milk tea shop, mga ganyan. Kasi yun yung hilig ko Mahilig akong mag-milk tea, ganyan. So gusto ko magandang business, mag-milk tea din, ganyan. So, now, kung nag-milk tea shop ako, 'di ba? yung negosyo ko, tinayo ko halimbawa siya sa Quezon City, Quezon City lang yung masiserve ko. Taga Las Piñas na ako ngayon. So yung mga neighbors ko dito, 'di ba? Hindi naman sila yung magpapalala move pa papunta ng Las Piñas from QC, 'di ba? Hindi siya economical, 'di ba? Hindi siya tawag dito what we would normally do, okay? And lalo na yung mga nasa ibang bansa, 'di ba? Kasi meron namang mga milk tea shops doon, okay? But in our business, lahat po ng countries na 'yan, you can serve them. So ganun po siya kaganda. So ang konsepto po kasi nung drop shipping na concept sa negosyo natin is so direct to consumer po siya. Yung customer mo magpi-place siya ng order niya sa website, okay? And then whatever yung pinlace niya na order, naka-direct na siya sa supplier. Okay, naipasa na siya dun sa supplier. And then yung supplier, siya na yung bahala na mag-deliver dun sa customer mo, again, in 27 countries. Grabe no, maganda ba yung ganong klaseng business na global na kaagad? And you don't even need to have business permits in these countries, automatic kaagad. Okay, na makaka-operate ka na in these countries. Nagawa na siya ng company that we have partnered with. And that's very important in this kind of business. Ano ba yung company that we were gonna partner with? Okay, kasi everything else, 'di ba? It will boil down on the operations ng company, yung logistics, yung manufacturing and all. And sometimes when you do drop shipping on your own, halimbawa nag-Shopee ka, nag-Lazada ka, nagbenta ka ng cosmetics, 'di ba? Tapos may problema yung client mo pagdating ng cosmetics niya, 'di ba? So ang daming dadaanan, 'di ba? Saan nagkaroon ng problema? Doon ba sa rider? Sa'yo ba? Sa pag-pack mo ba? Doon ba sa supplier mo? What if yung supplier mo hindi pa siya yung main manufacturer? Tama? So, it's very important na may one accountability lang in all of this, yung company na papartneran natin. And that's the very thing that we have in this kind of business in Usana. Familiar na po ba kayo sa Usana? Narinig na po ang Usana? So, can you type in the chat box, Usana, if this is your first time to hear about Usana, and for those who have heard about Usana already, can you type in health? Ayan. And for those na part na ng family, can you type in sales? Ayan. So, hello sa mga ka-sales dyan, mga part of the family already. So, let me see. Ayan, mga ka-sales, how about yung iba? Mga ka-sales, meron bang first time to know about Usana? So, can you type in Usana kung first time? Ayan, so now, most people, no, they heard about Usana already, di ba? So, baka may mga nag-type dyan ng health, ganyan. So, ako po, in 2014, I knew Usana already. Naririnig ko na siya. Maganda daw na multivitamins, nutritionals. Medyo mahal lang, sabing ganyan. Okay, ng mga kakilala ko. And then, in 2019, dun na siya na-present sa akin ng buo. So, okay lang ba for those tuning in right now, listening to this call, okay lang ba na this would be the very last, okay, discussion na maririnig mo yung Yusana na hindi ka pa part of it, di ba? Ang goal natin is after this discussion, maging part ka na, piliin mo na maging part, whether para sa health mo yan, or para sa finances, or whatever goals it is in life na gusto mong maging vehicle yung Yusana going towards that, okay? So, wag mong hayaan na lumagpas ulit itong opportunity na to na nakita mo na, naintindihan mo na yung Yusana pero hindi ka pa rin nag-take ng first step towards whatever goal you have for this 2026. Okay ba yon? So, yan. So, nung narinig ko yung Yusana in 2019, na-explain na siya sa akin ng buong buo, naintindihan ko na siya, it was an easy yes for me. Na yes, I'm gonna take the products for sure. Yes, I'm gonna do the business. I'm gonna share it to other people as well. Okay? So ang Yusana po, it's a cellular nutrition company. Ibig sabihin, para mas madali nyo pong maintindihan, nutrition po siya na pumapasok sa pinakamaliit na parte ng katawan natin, which is yung cells. So we are made up of trillions of cells. Saan ba tayo nanggaling? 'Di ba? Sa egg cells, sperm cells. So definitely, buong pagkataong ito, yung katawan natin, made up of trillions of cells po yan. Everyday nadadamage siya. Paano mo masasabing nadadamage siya? The fact na natulog ka ng mahaba, 8 hours naman yung tulog mo, 10 hours naman nung off mo, bumawi ka talaga ng tulog. Pero pagising mo, pagod ka pa din. Ayan. So, mga cellular damages po iyan, no? Na akala natin normal lang siya, pero damages na siya talaga on cellular level. Hindi pa siya ganun kalaki, hindi pa siya ganun um, tawag dito, ka-delikado or something na parang pagtutuunan talaga natin ng pansin. Kasi cellular damages pa lang parang akala lang natin okay pa, no? Pero pag lumaki-laki po iyon, yung damages na yon, na damage na yung organ, doon na po nagkakaroon ng problema kasi sakit na po. Okay, nagkakaroon na tayo ng sakit. Pagpunta mo na sa doktor, may diagnosis na yung doktor. Okay? So, yung mga, sino po yung mga nakakaranas na yung kakakain mo lang, pero inaantok ka? Hindi po dapat kasi yung food, 'di ba, it's supposed to give us energy. Pero ba't walang energy after kumain? So mga ano po iyan, no, mga cellular damages sa katawan natin. And that's something that Yusana for 30 long years, no, 33 years, turning 34 this 2026 has been doing, and talagang excellently. Okay? So we are the leader in the industry. Pag sinabi mo cellular nutrition, wala pong ibang company na nakakagawa talaga niyan on cellular level. Yusana lang. Okay? So we are founded by Dr. Myron Wentz. This is something that I am truly proud of, no? Kasi ang founder natin is someone na talagang nasa field ng science. Yan po talaga yung expertise niya. Okay? Ang goal niya po is not for you sana to be profitable, maging number one in sales, ganyan. Ito lang po ang pangarap ni Dr. Myron Wentz, to have a world free from pain and suffering, free from disease. If you're in the call right now, you're joining this, na probably napilit ka lang, nasendan ka lang ng link, and you think like, wala lang, sige, try lang natin. This is not a coincidence, no? Definitely, meron siyang malaking impact sa buhay mo for the rest of your life. Why? Think about the people in your family right now na merong hypertension, na merong diabetes. You know someone who has cancer probably, and yung mga taong to, no, we can help them. Kailangan lang talaga maayos yung processes nila on cellular level. And ikaw mismo, part of that family history na may mga ganitong sakit na, 'di ba? Ikaw mismo yung maging una, 'di ba? Manguna talaga na mag-walk towards a healthier and optimal version of you. Okay, na hindi na tayo umabot pa sa mga sakit. Yun po yung goal ni Dr. Myron Wentz, why he founded Yusana. And we really carry this vision by heart, no, every time we share Yusana to other people. So ang goal lang ng Yusana is to keep human cells healthy. And we've been doing that for 33 years in 27 markets already. Ang products that we are offering in Yusana are number one, cellular nutrition products, and also lifetime opportunity. This is where health meets opportunity po in terms of business, where you can earn extra 5,000, 10,000 a week, okay, as new brand partners ng Yusana. So we will talk more about that later on. Pero ngayon, pag-usapan muna natin yung health, no? Ang ganda nga ng Yusana kasi na-cover niya parehas itong health saka finances. Yan lang naman kasi yung usual, 'di ba, na pinoproblema natin para sa health, para sa finances. Kumbaga parang paapo iyan hindi po pwedeng kaliwa lang ng kaliwa yung naglalakad. Kailangan kaliwa kanan, tama? So hindi pwedeng puro finances lang ng finances ang focus natin. Not realizing na itong body na to, this is the very vehicle that will get you to that level of finances na tinatrabaho mo. Hindi rin naman pwedeng puro health lang ng health, 'di ba? Kasi yung finances, kailangan naman natin siya para mabili natin yung mga pangangailangan natin for our health needs, right? What if you can have both? 'Di ba ang saya? Winner ba 'yon? 'Di ba? So, winner na winner 'yan, no? And in Yusana, true health is definitely true wealth. Now, ito na po yung realidad ng buhay natin right now. Kahit wag mo nang pansinin tong mga to, yung apat na to sa dulo. Ito lang alone, yung number one. 'Di ba? Stress alone, 'no? Parang everyday meron at meron 'no na nakaka-stress ganyan. Parang kahit gaano mo i-set yung mood mo na, "Ay, ang ganda-ganda ng araw ko ngayon, hindi ako papadala sa stress." Pero may na-encounter ka lang na isang tao, ay grabe, na iba na, 'di ba? Na bago na. So, gano'n katindi yung stress, part siya ng daily life natin. And you know what? Stress alone can cause these diseases, and these are the leading causes of death worldwide. Sa buong mundo, ang mga tao po ay namamatay because of heart disease. Grabe 'no? And kung pansinin niyo dito, wala dito sa graph na 'to, wala po diyaan yung, um, old age, tama? Pero ako nung kabataan ko, ang alam kong kinamamatay ng mga tao, old age. Namatay yung lola ko sa tuhod kasi matanda na siya, 99 years old. Wala namang ano, sakit, ganyan. Pero right now, 'di ba pabata ng pabata, mga 20s pa lang, meron nga ako nakita nung nakaraan, 13 years old, may ano na, nagda-dialysis na. Grabe no? So, pabata ng pabata yung mga nagkakasakit right now. And tayo na nandito sa call na to ngayon, um, nothing is an accident, no? Talagang, ano to, God orchestrated moment so that you can see that there is still hope, 'di ba? Na mai-share mo sa family members mo. And if you yourself, 'di ba, you're feeling something odd in your body, then this is a good start, 'di ba, to assess nasaan ba tayo right now in terms of our health, no? Kasi whatever yung mga big goals natin sa buhay natin for this 2026, hindi natin siya mararating kung hindi tayo healthy. Okay? Sabi nga ni Dr. Linus Pauling, lahat na nearly all diseases no can be traced to a nutritional deficiency. Kakulangan lang pala sa nutrisyon, kaya tayo nagkakasakit. So kung nutrisyon ang kulang, bakit kanin ang sumosobra? So kailangan ibalik natin nutrisyon din, 'di ba? Nutrient dense dapat yung binabalik natin sa katawan natin. The thing is, hindi kasi natin nakakain lahat ng required na nutrients para sa araw-araw. Kulang talaga. Kakain tayo ng mga kalahating sakong spinach, ganong level para lang makuha mo yung nutrients na kailangan mo from spinach alone, 'di ba? So, kaya po doon pumapasok yung birth of supplementation. Now, in terms of supplements, 'di ba? There's no better way to begin your journey to true health than with quality cellular nutrition products. Wag mo nang piliin yung mga vitamins na alam mo namang hindi hindi ka na-energize, 'di ba? Hindi nakakaganda ng tulog mo, 'di ba? Doon na sa something na talagang sigurado kapag na-take mo 'to, ma-experience mo talaga quality health, no? Optimal health talaga. So we'll talk more about products ng Yosana, no? But let me share this one. In Yosana, True Health Begins with Cell Essentials. Ito yung pangunahing product natin, primary cellular nutrition product that we have in Yosana. Lahat na po ng kailangan mo na minerals, multivitamins, nandiyan na siya. Kompletos ricados na mula ulo mula sa ihibla po ng buhok natin hanggang sa kuko natin sa paa. Lahat ng kailangan na nutrients ng body natin, nandito na siya. And what's good with Cell Essentials, no, meron siyang antioxidants, no, nakakatulong para mapahaba yung buhay natin, para ma-repair yung mga damages na meron sa katawan natin. So, kumbaga, holistic approach no sa body natin. Check na check yan dito sa ating Cell Essentials. And ito lang po ang brand in the market na walang label na no approved therapeutic claims. Okay, kahit isa-isahin mo yung mga nakalagay na product sa estante ng Mercury Drug. Wala kang makikitang vitamins doon na walang label na no approved therapeutic claims. Lahat po meron kasi required siya ng FDA. Kung hindi naman nakakagaling, dapat dapat meron siyang label na no approved therapeutic claims. 'Di ba? Kaya nga sa mga commercial na mga vitamins, 'di ba, nakalagay sa dulo, sinasabi sobrang mabilis lang, 'di ba? Kasi sayang yung airtime 'di ba? Na ang produktong ito ay hindi maaaring panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit, tama? So, hindi kasi sila nakakagamot. Walang proven study no na nakakatulong sila to treat diseases. But you know what? Inyo sana wala po tayong ganong label. wala kang makikita na no approved therapeutic claims na nakalagay sa Cell Essentials natin. Okay? Kasi meron po siyang indication. Ang nakalagay po sa indication ng products natin ay for prevention and treatment of multivitamins and minerals deficiency. Ibig sabihin, yung mga sakit na nag-originate sa kakulangan lang naman ng micronutrients, no, kaya siyang i-prevent and i-treat ng ating cell essentials. Okay? For cellular, ano talaga siya, level. Okay? And ito po yung mapapansin natin kaagad, okay? The following day, overnight lang po, pagka-take mo ng Cell Essentials, ramdam mo na yan, ang sarap ng tulog, kahit nga 4 hours lang, 5 hours lang yung tulog mo, ramdam mo talaga na para ka naka 8 to 10 hours na tulog kasi ano talaga siya, restorative sleep. Ibig sabihin, pagkagising mo, talagang you have sustained more energy pa. Okay? So kasama na yan yung extra stamina for the whole day, better metabolism, gumaganda din yung bowel movement, yung skin, and it supports our immune health. Hindi po madaling magkasakit ang tao na gumagamit ng Cell Essentials. So, I've been taking this product for 6 years now. And I think yung last na pagkakasakit ko na matindi talaga was during 2020. Parang lahat naman tayo, no, dumaan sa ganung matinding flu season that time, 'di ba? Because of COVID and all. And then after na yon, wala na. Hindi ko na po matandaan talaga na nagkasakit ulit ako, no? Na ganun katindi. Parang mararamdaman mo lang na sumasakit yung lalamunan. So magte-take ako na to optimal dosage, kinabukasan wala na siya. Okay? So ganun kaganda yung products that we have because 150 scientists po ang meron tayo. So talagang dito pa lang, this is already a great testament, no, na yung products natin hindi siya putyo-putyo, talagang quality kasi 150 minds ang nag-aaral, 'di ba? And this is 6th edition of NutriSearch, no, Comparative Guide to Nutritional Supplements for the Americas. So ang ginawa po dito, third party na libro po ito. This USANA has nothing to do with this book. This is from Canada. So what they did is they want to educate yung mga citizen ng Canada, no, para bumaba yung expenses nila pagdating sa hospitalization, ganyan. So, si Lyle McWilliam, siya yung author ng libro, dati siyang health minister ng Canada. Kumbaga sa atin, department secretary, ganyan. Okay? So, what they did, no, they checked 1,600 products na available sa US, Canada, Mexico, and Colombia. And ito yung criteria na tiningnan nila. Nirate nila from 1 star to 5 star, 5 star being the highest, 'di ba? So if you have better options naman in life, 'di ba? Mas gusto natin doon na tayo sa 5 star, tama? Hindi tayo magwa 1 star lang, okay? Na quality. So chinek nila kompleto ba, potent ba, ibig sabihin effective ba siya, may vitamin E forms, etc., etc. And tingnan niyo pong tong number 14. Lifespan Essentials, nakakahaba ng buhay. Grabe, no, ang ganda nung tinitake mo na product na ay talagang sure ako may nakakahaba ng buhay, 'di ba? And ito yung the best pa dito with with this criteria, yung potential toxicity. Meron ba siyang any content na makaka-damage sa liver and kidneys natin? And you know what? Out of over 1,600 products, isang brand lang po ang nakakuha ng highest rating. Wala na pong iba. It's 5-star Platinum Plus. And Yosana Cell Essentials lang po ang nakakuha na yan. Grabe, no? So, Platinum Plus, ibig sabihin, pharmaceutically graded siya. Hindi siya basta standard lang ng multivitamins, ng nutritionals, pang pharma level yung standard ng Yosana. And hindi niya kailangan gawin yun. Gusto niya lang talaga na going beyond, di ba? The standard tayo, okay? So, 96.1, ito po yung absorbability level. Pag tinake mo yung Cell Essentials, out of 100%, 96.1, nare-receive ng katawan mo. If we're gonna compare that, siguro ako i-compare ko na lang siya sa Centrum. Kasi ako, nung nag-work pa ako, hindi ako makabili ng Centrum. Feeling ko kasi ang mahal niya, parang pang mga artista lang yan, pang mga mayayaman, pang high-end, ganyan. Pero nagulat ako, nung nakita ko tong book na to, it's only half star, not even 1 star. Grabe, no? And yung nare-receive mo pala from Centrum is only 5.2. out of 100%, lugi, 95% natapon. Di ba? So, if we're gonna talk about sulit ba siya na-receive ng katawan mo, ay dito na tayo sa Substantials. Okay? So, ito po yung actual na itsura ng libro and yan yung mga products na nandoon, no? So, yan yung sa USANA 5-star Platinum Plus. Okay, so ang Substantials, sabi ko nga kanina, naririnig-rinig ko na po ang USANA back in 2014 na maganda siya, medyo mahal lang. Yun yung common na naririnig ko. Pero alam nyo, nung nakita ko po yung content ng USANA, and it's only 16.47 pesos per tablet. Parang, ha, talaga ba? Parang pamigay naman. Grabe ka naman USANA, di ba? 38 vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, yan, yung content na yan. And 32 pesos lang siya per pares. So, it's not even 1 peso per nutrient. Doon ko po naintindihan, sobrang nakamura, nakatipid ako with USANA. And ang recommendation ng scientist natin is to take 2 pairs a day. So 66 pesos per day. Kahit po bumili ka ng iba-ibang mga brands, no, para tapatan yung content ng Substantials kasi unmatched po ang Substantials eh. Ibig sabihin walang ibang brand sa labas na ganito po yung kadami yung content katulad ng nasa Substantials natin. So kung kukunin mo lahat ng yan from different brands, abutin ka na almost 200 pesos per day. Sayang. 'Di ba? Sayang effort. Tapos hindi naman na-absorb ng katawan, tama? So doon na tayo sa sure, okay? And compared sa hospitalization, no, kurot lang sa bulsa to, yung 33 pesos, 66 pesos per day. Compared mo dito, limas ang budget dito pag nagkasakit. No, lalo na sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? Grabe yung hospitalization cost natin, parang 100-200,000 for 1 week, 'di ba? Lalo how much more kapag nasa ICU pa? Ano lang 'yon, mga 2 days lang 'yon, no? So, importante na we really take good care of our health. We start with our health talaga. And what better way really to start, no, taking good care of our health than with quality nutritionals with USANA? Kasi yung mga atleta, they trust their health only to USANA. Ano bang pinagkaiba natin sa mga atleta? Wala naman eh, 'di ba? Same lang rin naman tayo na ang puhunan natin in the sports that they are doing and tayo in the work that we are doing, katawan din natin. Tama? So, I could not emphasize it further. Put your health, 'di ba? Your trust for your health doon na sa katiwa-tiwala talaga na brand, okay? So yan po yung for total body health. We also have Usanimals, pambata na version naman siya. Para siyang Substantials na pambata, okay? All nutrients na kailangan ng bata nandiyan na rin. And chewable po iyan. Marami pa tayong products that we offer in USANA. Depende na lang sa kung ano yung health needs na you would want to address, okay? So, merong for cardiovascular health, for immune health, para sa eyes, para sa bones and joints, sa prostate health ng mga kalalakihan, meron din tayo for detoxification and gut health, for better sleep quality, and for cognitive function ng brain natin, also for mood support, para talagang kalmado lang tayo, 'di ba? Despite the battles that we are facing on a daily basis. And we also have for weight management sa mga gusto magbalik alindog, 'di ba? Ngayon January, this is the perfect start, no? And we also have now our collagen, we even have our toothpaste, skincare. So sobrang daming product offerings ng Yosana. Make sure to talk to the person who invited you para mas maipaliwanag niya sa'yo ng buo itong mga other products that you might have an interest on. Okay? So mas ma-customize ninyo what you would want to start with our products in Yosana, okay? But definitely, start ka with Substantials. Huwag mong kakalimutan yan, okay? And then add on mo na lang whatever optimizers na kailangan mo. So, ito po ako before, 25 years old, talagang, yung mga mata ko, screaming talaga siya na, you need rest. Grabe, stress galore talaga ang buhay. And just last year, 31 years old, 'Di ba? Sabi ko nga, grabe naman yung naging glow up ko, pati yung pawis ko parang nag-glow siya, 'di ba? So, ganun ka ganda yung products that we have in Yosana. And then, this is my fat loss journey. So, grabe po, papasang buntis talaga, no? Yung chan ko, na naka-side view. Grabe yung stress level, cortisol level ko. And then, ayan, recent no, hindi na ako nag-picture nung December kasi kumain na ako ulit eh. Ang daming kainan ng holidays. But anyway, grabe no, talagang what can dedication, discipline do no with right products talaga ng Yosana. So, burden sa atin, magandang ma-share din po siya sa family members and that's something that I really advocate, no? So, ito po yung mother ko, talagang parang, ano rin siya, matindi rin yung stress niya, no? Pinagbagsakan ng langit at lupa. And then, ito na po siya, just a week after couple of days, no? Using the products ng Yosana. 'Di ba? Grabe ang glow up. So, ang sarap nung ganun, 'di ba? Nakikita mo yung parents mo na humahaba yung buhay nila and also may vitality pa din. Okay, so in Yosana, we're building community of passionate individuals who live lives to the fullest. So, some testimonials for the past 6 years, marami na po, definitely. Pero, ito yung some of them, no? If you're familiar with RJ Jimenez, siya po yung katandem ni Yang Constantino. Sila yung kumanta ng If We Fall in Love. Ayan, talagang pinractice ko po lagi yan, no? Para maganda ko siyang ma-deliver sa inyo. Ayan. So, si RJ po, ayan, siya po ito, yung Hello Lyra, kaka-check up ko lang, bumaba ang cholesterol ko. Pag ginugol niyo po yan, super payat niyan. Pero hindi mo talaga masabi na, payat, hindi naman obese, okay na yung health, no? Pansinin mo, payat siya, pero yung cholesterol niya ang taas. Okay, so, umayos yung cholesterol niya with the products that we have, Cell Essentials by Omega and then Hepasil. And then this is a client from Canada. So may lactose intolerance siya. 66 years old na po iyan. Imagine niyo po, nanakaw sa kanya yung childhood experience na ma-enjoy yung buhay with simple joys na makakain ng ice cream, ng cheese, 'di ba? Kasi nga may lactose intolerance siya. But because of the products ng Yosana, naayos na po yung condition niya na yan, 'di ba? So ang sarap nung ganon, yung nakakatulong tayo sa ibang mga tao, no? And mas lalong masarap makatulong sa ibang tao, especially if you've seen them na talagang nag-improve din yung quality of life and yung income nila through the business opportunity ng Yusana. Ayan. So, nandito na tayo sa exciting part, yung business naman. So, this is Tita Nancy. She's a silver director in Yusana. She's able to earn 55,000 pesos in 1 week. So, $1,000 or 1,000 euro po yan, no? So, yan. And then, under her organization, ayan, may mga nag-emerge na rin ngayon na leaders, no, brand partners namin in Italia. Ito po si Ate Cheryl, no. Ang goal niya lang pumayat. So pumayat naman siya na almost 1 kilo per week with our Nutri-Meal. And ang maganda diyan, bukod sa na-achieve niya na yung goal niya na pumayat, no, nakapag-travel pa siya sa Spain for free. All paid for by our business in Yosana. Grabe ba 'yon? Yung goal mo lang pumayat pero nakapag-free travel ka pa, 'di ba? And kumita pa siya siguro in 3 months niya kumita siya ng mga 1,000 euro din, no? Or mga $1,000 on her first 3 months in the business. So, ang laking bagay na, 'di ba? And this is where health meets opportunity as I've mentioned kanina, no? So, bakit ba maganda i-consider natin yung Yusana, okay, in this expanding gig economy? Kasi again, what we're offering in Yusana is sustainable income. Hindi siya exchanging time for money lang. Compared dito, 'di ba? Ang dami ngayon mag-virtual assistants, mag-influencer selling na lang kaya ako, 'di ba? Ganyan. Pero the thing is, active income pa rin kasi itong mga to eh. Hindi ka makapagtrabaho sa freelance work mo, wala ka ring income, hindi ka makapag-create ng content para sa ibinebenta mong products, wala din, 'di ba? Wala ka ring income. But inyo sana ma-build mo yung system, tuloy-tuloy na may umu-order sa accounts nila, yung accounts nila nakakonect siya sa account mo all across the globe. Tuloy-tuloy po yung income mo eh. Ganun ka grabe, ganun yung power of this kind of business. And that's what I really love in this business, no? Kasi nga sabi ni Lolo Warren Buffett, no? If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Nakakatakot, no? Parang grabing sumpa naman ito. Hanggang sa mamatay talaga, nagtatrabaho, di ba? And para saan pa yung buhay, 'di ba? Kung buong buhay mo dito ka lang nakafocus sa financial na aspect. 'Di ba? Ang dami pa, there's so much more in life, 'di ba? So much more to life than just working for money, 'di ba? Yung spiritual life natin, mental health, emotional, physical, relational. So, ang prayer ko, ang hope ko for everyone here in the Zoom is ma-build natin lahat yung business natin in Yusana so that we can explore and live life in full experience talaga sa lahat ng facets ng buhay na to. Okay? So, now, as brand partner, paano ka ba kikitain nyo sana? Okay? Ang goal lang naman natin is to share this opportunity sa mga taong kakilala natin, either user yan or brand partner. Ang bottom line dyan, pag bumili sila ng product, yung product na yon may points, yung points nagiging dollars. Okay? Nag-create sila ng account, yung account na yon nakakonect siya sa'yo panghabang buhay. Kaya lahat ng order nila, umaakyat po yan sa account mo. So, later on, magulat ka na lang yung mga user brand partner na yan, they've been sharing you sana to different people also that they care for. And makita mo, yung points mo, nanggagaling na siya from different parts of the globe. Nakapag-global expansion ka na, no? So, yun yung beauty of this business ng Yasana. Like, yung nabanggit ko kanina si Tita Nancy, I don't know her personally. Talagang na pag-sharean lang siya ng napag-sharean ng napag-sharean ko. Grabe, no? So, pang ilang level na po iyan. Hindi kami personally na magkakakilala, pero you'll never know, 'di ba? Sino yung talagang makikita yung value of doing the business ng Yasana and sharing this beautiful opportunity to other people as well. Okay, so ang dami pong ways on how you can maximize yung income potential sa Yasana, but I will be discussing itong first four, yung sa share saka sa grow part. So, ito po yung new sales bonus natin. Lahat ng mga taong mapag-sharean mo ng Yusana and they created an account in Yusana, whether for product use or for business, dalawa po yung ating enrollment type sa Yusana. It's either you go for preferred customer, gagamit lang ng products, or magbe-business. Okay? So, whatever it is, later on, once may mga napag-sharean ka na rin and yung taong yun, nag-start with Yusana whether for products niya or for business purposes, lahat po ng points na binili na from products na binili niya, 10% po na yon bonus mo siya. Hindi lang one time for the next 6 months. Okay, grabe ba yon? Next 6 months may bonus ka, 'di ba? Grabe, parang tayo talagang trabaho galore kapag malapit na bigayan ng 13th month, 'di ba? So ano na lang, 10 months na lang, 11 months na lang, may 13th month na ulit, 14th month na ulit. Pero ang Yusana, 6 months, di ba? Enjoy mo talaga yan, may new sales bonus ka. Okay? And then, we also have our milestone bonus. So, every month, may mga milestones na pinapahit ang Yusana. Once na-hit mo siya, may kaakibat siya na dollars. Ayan. So, yung first month, $50 or 2,750 pesos. Second month, $100. Third month, $150 for a total of $300 on your first 3 months or 16,500. Grabe, no? So, yung first 3 months mo, may potential ka na kaagad na kumita ng extra 16,500 from this bonus alone. Ang laking bagay na, no? So, kung ayaw nyo, akin na lang. 'Di ba? So, malaking bagay na ba yon, 'di ba? So, sa akin, lalo na when I was working, sobrang laking bagay na niyan. 'Di ba? Ano na yung pwedeng mabayaran yan? Internet, yung utilities, 'di ba? Tubig, kuryente, and many, many more, pang groceries. So, yun siya, no? And then, ito yung talagang pang build natin ng system, yung sa grow part. So, you're gonna earn weekly base commission from Yusana. So, kung ano yung mas mababang side, okay, left versus sa right side mo, yung ano yung kung ano yung mas mababang points, no, either of the side, yun po yung basis ng 20% commission ng Yusana na ibibigay niya sa'yo on a weekly basis. Ang gusto ko po dito, hindi siya sariling effort ko lang. Effort siya ng buong team. So, etong friend ko for example na to, meron siyang kakilala na hindi ko naman nakakilala pero umorder yun ng products, lahat po ng points na in-order nila, umaakyat din po siya sa akin. So that's gonna be the same thing that's gonna happen sa iyo if you say yes on the business side ng Yasana. Okay, so pakita ko lang po sa inyo yung aking earnings noon when I was starting in the business para at least makita mo ano yung difference ngayon na mas maganda talaga, perfect timing talaga if you're gonna start ngayon. Okay? So, This was my first week income, 2,141.20. Yung 2K po na yan, that's $40, okay? Nung time namin. Yung 40 back in 2019, parang ang tagal na kasi nung time namin. 2019 naman, di naman 19 kopong-kopong. So, $40 siya noon. Alam nyo ba, yung same effort na to, ng $40 na kinita ko or 2K pesos, yung same effort na gagawin mo ngayon, you're gonna get 7,000 already. Grabe no, ganun same effort pero mas malaki yung income mo kasi may mga bonuses na ngayon. So nung time namin wala pa po yung mga yon. Okay? So sobrang blessed kayo to start ngayon kasi may mga bonuses na ni-launch ang Yusana just last year. And then a year after, yung kinikita ko sa work ko, I was earning 28,000 as a manager. Kinita ko na siya sa Yusana. So, pantay na, 'di ba? And 2 months after that, nung August ng 2020, no, naging 1 week income na lang siya. Pwede na ba 'yon? 'Di ba yung 1 month income mo sa work, na out-earn pa siya, and hindi lang basta-basta out-earn, talagang doble, triple, no, pang 1 week income mo na lang siya. Okay, so that was total of 40,000 in a week or 38,000 in a week. So almost 40,000, 'di ba? So yan po siya, and then last is etong lifetime matching bonus. Ito po super panalo po na to kasi imagine kung feel mo na parang hindi to para sa'yo, ganyan, parang hindi naman ako singgaling ng speaker, wag kang mag-alala kasi hindi rin po ako magaling nung nagsisimula ako, no? Pakakaulit-ulit na lang kaya na master na. Pero if you feel like this is something na malayo from what you're doing right now, no? Isipin mo na lang yung mga tingin mo na swak sila for this business and they are under your organization. Whatever they are making, 10% na yon bonus mo siya. Okay, matching bonus mo siya for the rest of your life. So, say for example, yung friend mo kumita siya ng $100. Yung $100 niya, 10% no, may $10 ka. Eh, what if kumita siya ng $1,000 in a week? So, 10% nun, may $100 ka, may 5,500 ka. Okay, eh what if $10,000 a week? Ha, talaga ba may kumikita ng ganyan? Yes, possible po iyan, no? Meron po talagang kumikita ng $10,000 a week in this kind of opportunity ng Yasana. So 10% na yan, may 55,000 pesos ka. Grabe ba 'yon, 'di ba? So parang hindi ko na alam. Ano pa yung masasabi ko na best advantage in doing the business other than this lifetime matching bonus. Okay, so ito talaga yung pinaka nag-pick ng interest ko when this was presented to me. And apart from all those income, monetary reward, meron ka pang reward na travel. All paid for by Yusana. So pag nagpa-travel po ang Yusana, good for two, luxurious yung travel, and 5-star accommodation talaga siya. So back in 2020, I was able to qualify to a travel incentive. Hindi siya natuloy because pandemic pa rin the following year. But yung binigay na income ng refund ng Yusana sa akin, no, this is bound to Taiwan only, no? Hindi naman siya yung Europe or what. Pero imaginein mo, 71K for trip for two na good for what? 3 days, 4 days. Grabe mag-budget ang Yasana ng travels talaga. Okay? And if you are a parent, in this call, no, kahit kalimutan mo na lahat ng sinabi ko, eto na lang yung tandaan mo. Whatever yung pagkakahirapan mo, pagkakapaguran mo in this opportunity ng Yasana, may kapupuntahan siya. So, pwede mo pa siyang maipamana to your kids. Okay? And all those na benefits, no, panghabang buhay na benefits, na perks, na rewards, you're gonna get all those, okay? Entitled ka sa lahat ng yon if you buy a 200 points of product set sa Yosana. So, this is our recommendation, the Energy Kit. But if you have other products in mind, feel free to do so na i-check yung options with the person who invited you. But this energy kit kasi, this contains all the best-selling products ng Yosana. So, kumbaga pangkalahatan na. Meron for your holistic health, meron for your cardiovascular health, meron for your bones and muscles, so on and so forth. Okay? So, parang covered na niya lahat. Alright, so I cannot promise you anything in Yosana, but one thing that I know for sure is fast result siya. If you start now, maramdaman mo kaagad fast result yung products natin, product efficacy, and as a brand partner, first week mo pa lang pwede ka nang kumita ng dollar commission in Yosana. Okay, so ang suggestion ko, ang encouragement ko sa iyo right now is to start now and get perfect later. Kasi lahat ng mga magiging repeat purchase under your organization, katumbas niyan komisyon na patuloy na dumadating sa bank account mo. Okay, so yun lang. And I know for sure yung taong nag-invite sa'yo, seryoso yan. I-build niya yung business niya very strong this 2026. So lahat ng mga taong makakausap niya, nasa ilalim ng organization mo na yon. If you say yes right now. Okay? If not, pwede din naman kahit mag-start ka ng 2036. Sobrang tagal, no? Pwede naman din, pero sayang yung opportunity to build the income that you want na right now and with the help of the person na nag-invite sa'yo. Kasi lahat talaga yan ng mga mai-invite niya, no, that could also be part of your business. Okay? So, as for me, I can vividly remember pa the time na naipresent to sa akin nung taong nag-invite sa akin. And ang sabi ko sa kanya, sige, itatry ko muna yung products and then saka ko ako mag-business, okay? Kasi nga iniisip ko, grabe yung binild kong credibility, name, ganyan, di ba? Tapos baka mamaya pangit yung effect ng products, 'di ba? Parang ang hirap mag-share ng something na hindi mo pa na-try, no? Pero alam mo, sabi ng friend ko na 'yon, what if you create your account now and habang nafi-feel mo yung benefit ng product sa'yo, you're already earning. Sabi ko, oo nga, wais talaga to. Manya cum laude din talaga to. So, parehas kasi kami manya cum laude. So, sabi ko, sure naman ako, bago niya to in-offer sa akin, pinag-isipan niya naman, no? And then, I remembered this quote from Sir Richard Branson. So, very much familiar kami sa kanya kasi nga, we are from hospitality tourism industry, no? So, si Richard Branson, isa siya sa mga business magnate sa UK, pinaka mayaman, no, sa UK, and he founded the Virgin Group. Okay, ko familiar kayo sa Virgin Airlines, siya po ang founder niyan. So sabi niya, if someone offers you an amazing opportunity and you're not sure you can do it, just say yes, then learn how to do it later. So the real thing that actually hinders me from saying yes is yung iniisip ko, paano kaya yung gagawin ko, ganyan, kapag nakuha ko na yung products, ang daming mga iniisip na how. Okay, ang importante lang is if you saw that this opportunity can change yung buhay mo right now, then just say yes. And then lahat ng yan, matututunan mo siya later. So I'm just really grateful that I said yes and took that leap of faith. No, right now I'm really enjoying the life that I have in this community that we've built in Yosana. So welcome to Team Core Edge. This is the team that will help you to get the success that you want for this business if you say yes. So, saan mo ba mas nakikita yung sarili mo? As a user, retailer, or business builder? Make sure whatever your answer is, talk to the person who invited you kasi siya ang best person that can really help you. Okay? To have that solid decision right after this call. So, that's it for me. Thank you so much. Back to the host.
Ayan. Thank you, Coach Lyra, sa napaka-clear, no? Clear na presentation tonight. This is a concrete example kung paano natin maximize yung income potential natin. So, napakaganda, napakalino ng iyong paliwanag. So, ayan po, no? Gusto ko lang din i-welcome again yung mga guests natin tonight. Thank you for tuning in. At short announcement lang, we're going to have a breakout room after po ng second speaker po natin, mag-talk. And doon po, pwede tayong magtanong sa nag-invite po sa atin, kung ano pa yung mga hindi clear sa atin. At para po mas maintindihan po natin. Ayan. So, Andito na po ba yung ating second speaker? I think andito na, no? So pakilala ko na lang po sa inyo din ang ating next speaker na expert this evening. So nasa Australia po siya ngayon and alam ko po madaling araw yata kung sa ating 9 o'clock sa kanila yata 12 in the morning, no? So, ayan. So, expert po siya dito, no? So, pakilala ko po, graduate po siya ng BS Nursing from Far Eastern University at isa po siyang registered nurse. At dati rin po siyang clinical researcher. Yun nga po, sinasabi ko, expert, kailangan po naka-open yung ating mga cameras, no? Pagka ganyan po. Hindi na siya po stranger, no? Hindi na siya stranger sa hard work. Dati po kasi, ang kanyang work is six part-time job. So, talagang napakasipag po nito. So, tayo po ay nagpapasalamat dahil nag-say yes po siya, no? Sa gabing ito. Ngayon po, he is a respected global business leader, isa sa mga pioneer mentors ng CoreEdge. Yun nga po, no, based siya sa Australia. At isa rin po siyang distinguished Ruby Director. That means po, malaki na po ang kanyang kinikita po dito. Ayan. Atin pong pakinggan ang kanyang story at paano po niya, how he made it to USANA. Please po, no, open your camera. Please join me in welcoming Mentor Anthony Riario, or tawag po namin sa kanya, Mentor Ton. Ayan. Mabuhay, Mentor Ton.
Hi everyone, good evening. And can everybody hear me loud and clear?
Yes po.
Okay, great. So hello
Hello
to
po,
each and every one of
Mentor.
you. Welcome to our Maximizing Your Income Potential. I'm Mentor Tonriario. I'm based here currently in Australia. I'm here in Brisbane, Australia. It's currently 11:04 p.m. here. So it's basically, ano oras ba dyan? Like 9:04. All right, so sa mga guests natin, wag niyo muna akong tutulugan kasi mas gabing-gabi dito. But of course, para sa akin kasi why you should lend me your next 15 minutes because this might be life-changing for you. All right? So technically, wala naman akong kikitain sa inyo whether you start this business or not. Actually, 'di ba? Hindi naman ako magsasayang rin ng oras, all right, para pilitin kayo because at the end of the day, this will be your decision. Kung ano magiging decision nyo rito, this will be the future of yourself and your future family. Anyway, it's 2026 na wala na tayong pilitan, 'di ba? Ang maganda lang siguro is napakinggan mo yung opportunity and if there's something that you feel inside you na oh nga no potential ito, then give me your next 15 minutes. All right, but I'm not here basically to tell you you join or you start your business, but I'm basically just here to share to you the opportunity that was open to me in 2013, which is pretty much like 12 years ago. And hopefully it might just change your life forever as well. All right. So can I just share my slide? So here we are. There you go. So here is me. Okay. I'm Tonri Ario. Ako nga yung sinasabi nila na raketerong may anim na trabaho noon, tapos matagumpay na negosyante na ngayon. So basically, I started from scratch. I started with no knowledge in terms of business. Actually, taga dito lang ako ay prior to sana back in the Philippines, taga-squatter area lang talaga ako, okay? So, my parents basically hindi naman talaga nila kami tinuruan magnegosyo. All right? And I have nothing against it, okay? Nagkataon lang talaga, majority sa atin, hindi naman talaga pinalaki na negosyante kasi hindi naman siya typical for a Filipino family na anak mag-aral ka, after mo mag-aral, maging negosyante ka. It's basically mostly for Chinese people, right? Now, so anim ang trabaho ko before, all right? So I work as a nurse. I'm a registered nurse in the Philippines, all right? That's my job. So typically just kung ikaw yung parang nararamdaman mo yung nararamdaman ko before, then baka para sa ito kasi just like you ako, ayan, nagko-commit din ako, nag-MRT rin ako, yung haba ng ano, alam mo yung hindi ka pa nakakarating sa tuktok ng MRT, nandun ka pa lang sa baba ng EDSA, tapos hindi na umuusad. So, ganyan yung buhay ko dati. And I wanted to end that kind of, routine already. Um, Tapos, so that's my first job. So my second job is I work as a clinical trial researcher ako. So yan yung office ko, tambak ng trabaho, tambak ng papeles, di ba? Mukha lang bongga talaga yung trabaho, but technically it's very a tough one, okay? Very stressful job, but it pays the bill, okay? Not bad. So, kumbaga, kung ikaw yung typical na tao na parang posturang-postura ka, ang ganda ng suotan mo, di ba? Pagpapasok ka, naka neck coat and tie ka and so on and so forth. Pero way back then, 2013, technically kumakain lang rin naman sa mga pork chopan sa Makati area. So that's my second job. Okay. My third job within the day is ito. Uh, third job ko is nag-online pa ako online ako sa isang insurance company back in the US. Kasi sabi ko nga, na-realize ko, sa ibang bansa ngayon, like even here in Australia, even Filipinos here, they work for 2 to 3 jobs. Tapos ang problema sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? Inubos na nga ni Diskaya ang pera natin, 'di ba? Kinukupitan na nga tayo ng pera tapos aasa ka pa sa gobyerno. My goodness, 'di ba? So one thing that I've learned in 2025 is wala ka talaga maaasahan in the government. I feel like it's not in my lifetime na gobyerno ang magbabago ng buhay ko. Okay? You need to make that decision to change your life. Because if you don't, no one will care about you. Okay? So, yung mga racket ko before. So, tatlong job ko. Pag may mga season, nagbebenta. Ito guys, registered nurse ako. Okay, I'm a nurse. But way back then in the Philippines, nagbebenta pa ako ng mga bulaklak. So, PRC, professional ako. Okay? PRC license holder, nagbebenta ng bulaklak, naglalako, nag-a-arrange ng mga bulaklak sa SM Mall of Asia. Ganong level. Alright? Pag Sabado Linggo, yung ginagawa ko, nag-i-events planning ako. O ayan, events planning and so on and so forth. Tapos nag hosting and so on and so forth. Not until USANA was introduced to me in 2013, a friend of mine back in Canada, she's a registered nurse in Canada, introduced to me the opportunity of USANA. In the very beginning, parang wala pa ako talagang idea about it kasi first time ko marinig si Yusan, and Yusan is pretty much very new in the Philippines. So wala pa ako nakikita malalaking resulta. Right? Sorry kung mabilis ako ha. So anyway, this is me. Here, this is the USANA office here in Sydney, Australia. Pretty much I would like to show it to you kasi syempre para makita nyo, to see is to believe that you are going to participate in an international business. Okay? The mere fact that USANA is based here in Australia since 1994, then it's pretty much a big, big business. Because USANA is, Australia is very strict pagdating sa mga pharmaceutical ingredients and so on. So bawal dito yung mga second to none or mga second class lang ingredients. We always make sure that the ingredients being used by most Australians are actually first class. So whatever the products in the Philippines is actually the same product here in Australia. The only thing that's basically different is this, na mas magbe-benefit kayo. Here in Australia, if you get to earn dollars, we also spend dollars. But dyan sa Philippines, if you get to earn US dollar, you spend it in pesos. All right. And so anyone here who's actually earning dollars, okay, sa employment nila, sa employer nila, di ba? Medyo, I'm not sure, okay? I'm not sure though. So kung ikaw yung tao na, I don't know, ex-OFW ka ba, and so on, or ex-OFW ka ba, or probably someone na, okay, ex-OFW ka ba na someone na looking forward to earn the same amount of income, then this would be the opportunity that you've been waiting for. All right? So kung gusto mo income na pang abroad pero nasa Pilipinas ka without leaving your family, then this will be the opportunity for you. All right? So that's the USANA in Sydney, Australia. This is the USANA office in Taipei, Taiwan. The USANA office in Singapore, just to giving you quite a tour, okay? And USANA in Thailand, and this the USANA office there, okay? So, ayan, so we've partnered with a lot of people here who are actually professionals as well in USANA. So, ayan, sila Ali Pic and Royce Snagit, one of our gold directors, TV5 News anchor. We've also partnered, ayan, may mga lawyers din tayo dito. Not just lawyers, these are lawyers ng Senate, okay? Meron din tayo mga judges, trial court, meron din tayo mga vice president ng bank, and so on and so forth. So this business is actually pinag-isipan na to ng mga matatalinong tao. Alright? So matagal na siya pinag-isipan ng mga matatalinong tao. So parang na-realize ko before, ito nga ginagawa to ng mga judges, ginagawa nga to ng mga nasa Senate, ginagawa nga siya ng mga uh, people who are mga nasa top of the rank, okay? So bakit I mean, back to pa question sa iyo sana. But anyway, I'm not sure kung gaano kalaki matutulong nito sa'yo, but way back 2013 when I started my first year in the business, way back then ang palitan lang ng yun sana is nasa 40 pesos lang, 42 pesos per dollar. So ako, nag-start ako first year part-time. So there's this magic of part-time here in the business. So I was working like 6 jobs all at the same time, and then I did Usana part-time. So basically, in my first year, ayan yung kinita ko. Ayan. So mga 373,000 part-time. Okay. So 373,000. I started August 2013, and then 2014 of August, ayan, 373,000. So roughly 30,000 per month part-time. As for me, it's actually big kasi typical on average ang 30,000 kinikita yan talaga ng full-time jobs sa Philippines. Agree? But not 30,000 part-time. Usually, ang nakakakuha talaga ng mga yan, okay, proven na yan, mga negosyante talaga. Alright? Negosyante. Alright? And then afterwards, on my second year in the business, dyan na ako kumita talaga ng almost ng 100,000 pesos per month. And after, part-time ko pa rin siya ginagawa kasi I still got my job. Okay, I still got my job. So, it's up to you. So, imagine mo kung sa employment lang ako magbe-base at hihintayin ko bago ako mag 100K. Abutin na siguro ako ng 10 years, 20 years bago ako makuha ko yung promotion na magbibigay sa akin ng sweldo na 100K per month. But once again, this is part-time, 'di ba? Yung iba kasi kumikita ng 100K per month sa Philippines, pero full-time job. All right? Full-time job 'yun. Alright, so ayan, kitang-kita naman, okay, and so on and so forth. Anyway, ayan sa BIR ko. Alright, what I love about the business of Usana is this, ayan, imaginein mo you can travel around the world, okay? So, hindi ko na sabihin lahat, but I also travel to a lot of countries because of this opportunity of Usana. And sabi ko sa inyo kanina, ako ay galing sa walang-wala, dito lang ako nakatira way back then, and it's an opportunity for me na somehow kumbaga, makaluwang-luwang, o 'di ba? So basically, ito is sa mga napundar ko sa pag-business sa Usana. All right? Back in the Philippines. I wasn't actually in Australia way back then. All right? So, yan. Give me just a second. All right. Stop sharing. Okay. Let me go to my next slide. There we go. So, pakita ko naman sa inyo, syempre, para isip nyo na, baka ikaw lang yan, mentor, parang gano'n, di ba? So, ito nga sinasabi ko, even the former Vice President of Banco de Oro is actually part of our team. Alright, si Tita Zenny Gambol. Alright. Ito si Miss Bernie Ducusin. She's formerly from East West Bank. So, she's also one of the VP. She's under our organization as well. I've also got one of the Vice President from Bank of Makati. He's also one of my downline. In terms of doctors, more and more doctors are actually doing the business opportunity of Usana. Okay, no questions asked. Ayan. So, Dr. Trinidad from St. Luke's, one of the OBGYN. Ayan, Dr. Fatima, yan yung mga nagpe-prescribe ng Usana products natin. Okay, even Dr. Michelle Agustin ng TMC or the Medical City. Okay? So, more and more people are actually doing this business opportunity. Si Attorney Marisa Cabreros nga one of our gold directors. Imagine mo the deputy commissioner ng BIR. So, imagine mo kung walang pera sa Usana, bakit mag-join ang BIR commissioner? Tapos dito sa Usana, gold director pa siya. Ibig sabihin, nag-earn siya ng 200,000 pesos per month. Agree? Diba? So, ito naman, so just to give you, nagulat lang ako kasi I went to Toyota in Quezon Avenue back in the Philippines. Tapos, ayan, nakita ko, may Usana doon. Sabi, ano gagawin ng Toyota, ng Usana dito sa may looban ng kasa ng Toyota sa Quezon Ave. Then, I found out, so ayan, multiple times yan. So, this is the first time, this is the second time. Then, I found that the president of Toyota is actually one of the diamond directors already here in Usana. So, basically, he's earning pretty much 1 million pesos per month. Okay, so Sabi ko nga sa inyo, it's not about me, but it's actually about the people na na-develop namin dito sa pag-business. So Trina started with me in 2015. So after 2 years, there's someone na tinrain ko and so on and so forth who started the business, okay, under our team Core Edge. So no umpisa ganyan lang income niya. Ayan, per week, kasi weekly yung income eh. And way back then, mga 45 to 42 pesos lang naman talaga ang palitan before. So, mas malaki opportunity ngayon kasi nasa 58 pesos ang palitan ng dollars, di ba? So, yan, pag nag-start ka, maliit lang sa umpisa, 4-5 per week, minsan 0, minsan 1-7. But as for me, 4-5 or 1-7 per week or 4-5 per week man yan, still, enough na yan na naka-aircon ka, di ba? Bawas na yan ang bill sa Meralco mo. Alright? So that was her on her first year in the business of Isana. Ayan, naka 134,000 siya. Part-time. Sorry, hindi na pala. Hindi to first year. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Basta yan, okay? Alam ko first year income niya yan, okay? And then she became one of the gold directors of Isana. So mean to say, ito na yung inner niya. Okay, 54, 53,000, 56,000, 51. So about 215,000. Okay, she's also one of my latest one of our leaders na ngayon dito sa business opportunity. So imagine mo, what if hindi siya nag-join sa business, di ba? She could have, technically hindi siya nag-gain, nawalan siya ng opportunity na dapat kumikita siya. Agree? Yan. And ito naman, one also of my associate, this is Marty, si Marty Marcoleta. He's a former manager, okay, sa Mang Inasal, tapos sa Ramenagi, tapos sa Moments Group din siya. Alright? So, nung nag-start siya sa business opportunity, ganito lang kinikita din niya per week. He started 2020 after pandemic, 1,400 per week. Pesos, we're talking about pesos here. 2,300, 1,500, and sometimes 5,900. Okay? So, ganyan ang kinikita niya. But after a while, okay, nung may mga ranks kasi sa USANA, okay, after about a year and so yung dating 1,400 niya, nagiging 6,500 na, 3,000, 21,000, gano'n. So, nagpa-fluctuate pa rin siya, but still, it's a big amount of money. So, hanggang sa, dati yung almost 1 month na income niya, kinikita na lang niya ng 1 week. But once again, all right, this is not magic, okay? It need some hard work and dedication to learn about the business. Good thing you have your the people who invited you because they pretty much know about the business, okay? So yan. Yung mga doctors nga dito, imagine si Doc Michelle Agustin, okay, one of the pediatricians. Ganyan lang rin siya nag-start, oh. Imaginein mo, nag-start siya sa business opportunity, ganyan sorry. Okay. From her income na 1 year ng 2019 na 950,000 pesos, ayusan na to ha, in 1 year. Okay, as a doctor. Okay? After 1 year, naging 1.9 million. Naging double siya. Naging 2 million pesos. Part-time. What does she do? She just basically teach about the importance of micronutrients, okay, pagdating sa mga sakit, di ba? On its importance. But anyway, more than anything else, kung ikaw naman ex-OFW ka, alright, ito, meron tayo rin dito mga kapitan ng barko. O, ayan. So from Cebu, si Captain Liniel and Captain Jimmy Tungson from Cebu, all right, extra 200,000 per month. O, di ba? So ito rin also Kapitan from Iloilo, Gold Director natin, okay, si Captain Edgar De Asis, all right? And also ito si Captain Arnel and Mau Camino, one of our Emerald Directors. Okay, technically they're now Diamond Directors. So mga pagsabing Emerald to Diamond, mga 1 million pesos per month yan. All right? So ganun siya. So ito pa nga yung awarding nila. Oh. Ayan, oh. Si Captain Tiongson. Alright? So kung ikaw, OFW ka, di ba? Tapos gusto mo pa rin ma-experience sa Philippines yung income na pang abroad, then yung sana opportunity is the best for you. Alright? So there you go. What else? Oh, ayan. This is also one of my friend. Oh, ayan, si Chris De Paz. Si Chris De Paz is actually is an engineer in Saudi Arabia. Pinakita niya pa nga yung sweldo niya, ayan, 317,000 per month or 21,000 Saudi Riyals noong 2023 yan. Alright? Ginawa niya yung isa na part-time, okay? Just like many of us, how we all started here part-time. So hanggang 2.5 years income niya, ganyan. 1.6 million, about 1.6 million or 65,000 per month. O, ayan siya. O, di ba? Part-time. Alright? So, depende sa iyo, sa sipag mo kasi, di ba? Kung ang tingin mo dito, benta-benta lang rin ang bibigay sa'yo. Pero kung ang tingin mo dito, malaking negosyo talaga, malaki talaga. So, ang tingin mo sa'yo sana, para ka nag-distribute talaga sa Mercury Drug, ganong level, nag-distribute sa ospital, nag-distribute talaga sa pangmalakihan negosyo, then this will definitely even be bigger. Alright? So, it's no question asked, maganda po talaga ang opportunity ng Usana. Alright? No question asked yan. Actually, ako mismo, user ako ng Usana. So, this is me at 85 kilograms before. So, ganyan. Mataba ako before. Alright. But after trying some of the product of Usana, so I basically love the Nutrimilk products. So, it's up to you kung gusto mo siya gamitin. So, yan. Okay. So, from 85, went to 68 kilograms. Alright. So, nasa sa'yo yan. Alright. Kasi ikaw talaga magdedesisyon di ba? Kunyari, gusto mong gamitin yung product, sino bang papayat? Eh di ikaw, hindi naman ako yung papayat eh. Agree? Kung gusto mo kumita ng malaki, mag-start ka sa negosyo. Kasi pag nag-start ka sa negosyo, ang kikita, ikaw, hindi naman ako yung kikita. Di ba? Kasi more or less, you are not part of my organization. Okay, I'm just basically here to share yung opportunity na nangyari sa akin. Alright, and before I actually end, alright, lakasan mo yung volume mo kasi may gusto ko yung parinig sa'yo.
Magpe-pray-pray ka ng opportunity, tapos ngayong may dumarating, sasabihin mo pag
Pag-in ko. Okay?
magpe-pray-pray ka ng opportunity, tapos ngayong may dumarating, sasabihin mo pag-iisipan mo. In fairness, ang gulo mo, pag di mo yan ginrab habang buhay mong pagsisisihan na hindi ka man lang sumubo. Tapos sasabihin mo ngayon, magdududa ka, paano pag hindi nag-work? Paano kung oo? Paano kung yan na pala yung stepping stone para makarating ka dun sa pinapangarap mo? Alam mo, go na. I-grab mo na. Go na.
Alright. So, yun nga, di ba? Ang gulo-gulo mo, nagdadasal-dasal ka for 2026 ng opportunity kasi ikaw ang gulo-gulo mo. Di ba? So, sometimes kasi yung mga binibigay, yung gusto mo kasi yung opportunity, yung brand new car, yung house, travel, hindi naman babagsak sa'yo yan as ayan na may ticket ka na or may susi ka na bago mong kotse or bahay, di ba? Hindi naman pag nagdasal ka kasi ng cake, ang ibibigay sa'yo talaga ni Lord ay cake. Ang ibibigay sa'yo, syempre, itlog, harina, sugar, and so on and so forth. Now, it's up for you to cook it. It's the same opportunity here in Usana, di ba? It's up to you for you to work it out, yung blessing na yan. Kasi ang ibibigay sa'yo ni Lord, yung opportunity, ibibigay sa'yo ni Lord yung instrument na magbibigay sa'yo ng opportunity na yon. Alright? So, without further ado, sorry. So, with that, okay, I would like to thank each and every one of you for joining for tonight's webinar. And we look forward to seeing you on our next new distributors orientation. Please talk to the person who invited you about this opportunity right after this webinar. So once again, this is Mentor Tondri Aryo, one of the Ruby directors of Usana. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you, Mentor Ton. Ang galing. Napangiti ako doon sa pinili yung video. Talaga naman ang kasipagan ay important quality po yan, but kailangan natin maghanap talaga ng right opportunity upang maabot yung ating potensyal. Ayan. Thank you, Mentor Ton. Maraming salamat po. Talaga napaisip din ako doon sa video niyo. Tamang-tama talaga. So bago po tayo maghiwalay, Mentor, ano naman po kami sa inyo? Picture po tayo.
Let's
Sino
go.
sino
Picture
po
tayo.
pwedeng mag-take ng picture and pa-open na lang po ng camera para po
Na po
maganda.
magpipicture.
Salamat.
Okay, pa-open po ng camera sa mga hahabol pa. Ayan, okay. Sige po. Ayan, meron pang humahabol. Okay. Taking photos in 3, 2, 1. Alright, got it. Thank you, Mentor Ton.
Thank you.
Salamat.
God
Thank you,
bless
Coach
everyone.
Lyra.
Ton. Thank you po.
Thank you, Mentorton.
Thank you, Mentor Ton. Galing.
Don't forget po, may
Thank you,
breakout
Coach
room
Lai.
po sa may mga may
Thank you,
mga
Coach John.
guests. Thank you po. And I wish you health po. Marami pong salamat for joining mga guests po natin at mga kapwa coaches. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach Shona.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you.
Salamat po.
Thank you, Coach Lyra. Thank you, Coach Shona.
Salamat po.